Introducing the Aqua TROLL 500, a mobile, user-friendly water quality instrument with the accuracy and reliability you've come to expect from In-Situ. The Aqua TROLL 500 is ideal for handheld testing, as well as remote monitoring with telemetry or external data logger. Monitor up to 8 parameters simultaneously. Available sensors include pH, ORP, conductivity, temperature, dissolved oxygen, ammonium, chloride, nitrate, and more. Universal sensor ports let you arrange sensors any way you want. An optional wiper keeps sensors clean, even during long-term deployments. The built-in LCD screen provides access to many of the instrument's features, displays status messages, and lets you know your Aqua TROLL 500 is working properly. The Aqua TROLL 500 is perfect for handheld applications, such as profiling in lakes, rivers, and aquaculture environments. It's also excellent for remote monitoring in source water and stormwater applications. With the In-Situ mobile app, you can configure and deploy the Aqua TROLL 500 with your mobile device. View your data with HydroView, In-Situ's data visualization software. The Aqua TROLL 500 is the newest member of the Aqua TROLL family of water quality instruments. Contact your In-Situ representative for more information and to see the Aqua TROLL 500 in action.